welcome back to my channel. Today we will see another recruitment, that is NIFT, recruitment of Group C post on long term contract basis. Friends, let's see directly details of the post. The first post was the steno grade 3. The level was 7 CPC. In that, for steno grade 3 post, that is 4th, and the grade pay 6th CPC. For this is for rupees 2400 rupees. The category was for urban, one post is there, and the next one was the assistant finance and accounts, and the level 7 CPC was 4 and grade 6th CPC was rupees 2400. This is also for urban, and assistant warden for female, only for female this one. This is 4 and rupees 2400, and urban post, for urban one post is there. And the next one was the machine mechanic 4 and rupees 2400, this is also, and one post is there for urban. And library assistant rupees 1900, and level 7 CPC was 2, and the one post is there for urban. Junior assistant 2 posts are there, and the lab assistant 1 post is there. Lab assistant FC 1 post is there. Lab assistant IT 1 post is there. For driver 1 post is there. Multitasking staff MTS, for this post 5 jobs are there. And we will see about eligibility criteria. First one was the name of the post was steno grade 3. The education required was graduate from a recognized university or institute. Minimum speed of 80 word per minute is in shorthand and 40 word per minute in typing. Minimum 2 years experience in government or semi-government, state government, UT, autonomous organization or PSU. Proficiency in computer operation. If you have these, can apply. Next was the age limit, 27 years as on closing date. Maximum upper age limit for NIFT employees may be relaxed up to 5 years or total length of service rendered. Next post was the assistant finance and accounts. Education qualification and experience required: bachelor degree in commerce from recognized university or institution with 2 years experience in finance and account matters, or master degree in commerce from recognized university or institution with 1 year experience in finance and accounts matters. Here the working knowledge of accounting software, you have experience in that. The age limit was same, 27 years. And the next post was, name of the post was assistant warden, for females only. This is graduate from recognized university or institution, 1 year experience as assistant warden in any education institution under central government or state government or autonomous bodies. Next one was the age limit. Age limit was 27 years only for this also. Next post was machine mechanic. Here the education qualification required is recognized ITI diploma, at least 1 year duration as fitter or in maintenance of machine with 1 year experience in repair and maintenance of cutting or sieving or finishing machines or in garment industry. Recognized certificate, at least 6 month duration from ITI as fitter recognized by government or equivalent with 3 years experience in repair and maintenance of cutting, sieving, finishing, machining in garment industries. Next was the age limit was 27 years. Maximum upper age limit for NIFT employees may be relaxed up to 5 years. This is the maximum years. I will telling you only. Next post was the library assistant. Here the education required is graduated from a recognized university or institution with a diploma in library science or bachelor degree in library science from a recognized university or institution. At least 1 year working experience in well established library. The next age limit was maximum age years up to you can apply is 27. Name of the post was junior assistant. Here you have education qualification as passed plus 10 plus 2 examination from a board or its equivalent recognized by the government. A typing speed of 30 word per minute in English or 25 word per minute in Hindi. Computer proficiency, which includes competency in MS Word or applicable software for written or mail correspondence. Competency in management of mail accounts. Competency in retrieving information through search applications. Candidates who have done diploma in computer shall given preferential weightage. Who have done diploma in computer, they will be first preference for this post, and the age limit was maximum up to you can apply is 27 years. Next we will see about the next post was lab assistant, FD, FC and IT. For FD, fashion design 10 plus 2 diplomas, a certificate of 3 years duration in cutting and tailoring, does designing from any government or board of technical education recognized in institute with 3 years relevant experience in industry. Next we will see about for FC, fashion communication, graduate from a recognized university institution should have 1 year certificate or diploma in photography from a reputed institute. For IT, information technology, bachelor degree in computer application or BSc computer science, computer knowledge in graphics, multimedia software and government, CAD. 1 to 2 working experience in woven and print design software in reputed engineering industries is desirable mostly, and the year also age limit was maximum up to 27 years. Next post was the driver post, at least 10th class from a board or its equivalent recognized by the government. Next was the requirement was the possession of requisite driving license for two-wheeler or three-wheeler, lighter motor vehicle, heavy motor vehicle. You should have a license. Should have at least 2 years experience in driving light or heavy motor vehicle. Should be fully conversant with traffic regulations and able to read, write Hindi and English. Age limit was 27 years maximum. And the next post was multitasking staff, MTS. Here the education required as a passed 10th class from a board or equivalent recognized by the government. Maximum age limit was 27 years. Next, the application fee was for general EWS and OBC was 500, for SC ST PWD for female nil. Next, age relaxation. Age relaxation in upper age limit to be reserved categories shall be provided as per the government rules. Next, the center of examination, the NIFT Srinagar shall notify the venue or center of examination separately. Here they now have not mentioned, they will announce shortly and I will explain you. Next, the scheme of examination was for assistant post finance and accounts, written test, quantitative aptitude, basic English, general awareness, accountancy and taxation, general financial rules. Skill test also there, and maximum marks, written test 70 marks and duration 2 hours, skill test 30 marks, duration 20 minutes. Here the details are there, please see it guys. For the assistant warden, quantitative aptitude, basic English, general awareness. For this post, skill test not there, and written test only 100 marks and minimum 2 hours is there for written exam. And the driver post, quantitative aptitude, basic English, general awareness, and the skill test also there, identification of traffic symbols, knowledge of traffic rules, driving skills of HMV and LMV, and knowledge on maintenance of logbook, knowledge on heavy vehicle maintenance and breakdown. The written test 70 marks and the duration 2 hours. Skill test was 30 marks and duration 30 minutes. Next, the lab assistant, the test was domain knowledge should be there, basic English and general awareness. Here 3 are considered for IT, for FC, for FD. You have to see screen guys and note it. And the next, library assistant, you have all the exams. For machine mechanic also you have both the skill test and written test also there. For stenographer grade also for skill test and written test there, and junior assistant also both tests are there. Next we will see about, okay guys, this is the official notification I have explained you. If you have any doubt, please put in a comment section, I will clarify, and share to your friends guys who have done both ITI diploma and who have done engineering, who have eligible for this. Please share it guys and help this and subscribe this channel and share to your friends also, guys. Okay.